Here goes nothing.
Huh? Urgent communique, sir. From Poe Dameron of the Republic Fleet. It's a very good likeness. How is your mother, sir?
Obliterate them!
BB-8, punch it!
He's going for the dreadnought.
All right, taking out the cannons now. Tally, start your approach.
Copy that.
Man, they really went wild with the cannons on this thing, huh? Here comes the parade!
Keep at it, Commander Dameron. We're still evacuating your base. Almost everyone's joined the fleet. We're just waiting on the last few ships. Keep going, Poe. Evacuation almost complete. Just a little while longer. The evacuation is complete. You did it, Poe. Now get your squad back here so we can get out of this place.
No, General, we can do this! We have the chance to take out a dreadnought!
Disengage now. That's an order.
Bad connection, gotta go! Squadron, bring the bombs!
Bombers, keep that tight formation. Fighters, protect the bombers. It's not every day we get a shot at a dreadnought, so let's make this count.
Dreadnought! This one's going in the scrapbook. Whoa! You see that, BB-8? Protect that last bomber! It's our only hope! They're targeting the fleet! We need to protect that last bomber! It's our only chance to bring down that dreadnought! They just won't stop! Unless we close up their hangars! Hey, BB-8, you thinking what I'm thinking? Torpedo time, that's right! This dreadnought is a fleet killer. We can't let it get away. Paige, we're over the target. Why aren't your bay doors open?
Bomber left! It's all down to you!
Supreme Leader. We have them tied on the end of a string.
The mighty Kylo Ren. Take that ridiculous thing off. You're just a child in a mask.
Prepare my ship.